Hi guys, it's me again, Jesse, and for today's video it's about tutorial about how to convert your big files to small files. So I will be using the BLC Media Player, so you can download this for free. Just go to your browser and type BLC Media Player. But I also have a video about how to download the BLC Media Player. I will put the link on the description below. So this is my file. As you can see, it is about 3 gig. So I will convert it using the BLC Media Player so that I can save more space on my hard drive. It is easy to use, just follow the steps. Look for the file you want to convert, then click the convert save, then click the browse. You can change the file name, but for me I just put a number on the last part. I will fast forward the video. This is the large file and this is the converted file. So I will play the converted file.
Okay. Ay, i-add ko lang para sa mga bago din. Di ba we have yung announcement na we have synchronous and asynchronous. For the asynchronous topics, you have to...
So I hope guys you have learned
I-add
something
ko lang
on this
para
video,
sa mga bago din.
and
Di ba we have yung
thank you for
announcement
watching
na we have
and see you on
synchronous
my
and
next vlog.
asynchronous. For the asynchronous topics, you have to